The statement has been actually tempered by the Congress, and they are creating a non-issue. Actually, they are transforming a non-issue into issues. Why? Because they don't have anything. They have asked for the discussion on the Constitution. Our party welcome it, and we have allowed the discussion over the Constitution. And whenever this type of discussion happens both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Congress generally they get humiliated because they have done so many wrong things with the Constitution. They have amended it several times and amended for the benefit of their one family and for their party. Not only that, they have imposed emergency over this country. So after this humiliation, they could not find any kind of issue, and that's why they are now making a non-issue into issues. We respect Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji, none other than Congress, even they cannot claim anything about Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji, because before the independence, when the ministry for the time being was formed, even the Jawaharlal Nehru ji did not allow his name, that is Baba Saheb names, into the ministry. Not only that, they have done nothing with any place which is related to Baba Saheb Ambedkar, such as Mohu in Madhya Pradesh, that is the birthplace of Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji. When our government came, Patwa ji was the chief minister in 2006. At that time, we made it we actually proposed a monument there. After that, we lost. Congress came and they remained in power for 10 years, but they did nothing in that Mohu. Again, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, when he became the chief minister, he constructed a monument in the birthplace of Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji. So this is the mindset, of Congress, and on the other side, what we did with Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji, and that's why Congress is now creating a non-issue into issue.
Sir, one BJP MP, RS MP, complained to the chairman regarding the behavior of Rahul Gandhi for threatening, for shouting.
Our Rajya Sabha MP from the Northeast, Konyak ji, she complained in Rajya Sabha, and at that time I was present in the Rajya Sabha, that how Rahul Gandhi scolded her, being a woman member of the highest house of this country. She is very heartened by the behavior of the Rahul Gandhi, and in her statement, he properly said that this kind of behavior is not at all accepted from the leader of opposition.
Sir, lastly, today you have exchanged word with the advocate of Chinmay Krishna Das. So what actually you discussed?
Actually, the advocate of Chinmay Krishna Das, Mr. Ghosh, who came to India for the treatment, as you know, he has been attacked by the miscreants and the goon and the jihadis in the Bangladesh. So today I talked to him through video call, WhatsApp video call, and help him to get good treatment from Kalyani AIIMS. I also requested him, if he needed much better treatment, he can come to the Delhi, but he told me that he is not ready to come to Delhi now because he has to go back to Bangladesh and he has to fight the case.
Did you feel anything that she is too much afraid?
You know the attack happened over him, but he is very confident that I won't leave my country, Bangladesh is my country, and I will fight for Prabhu Chinmay Krishna. That should be the mindset of everyone, especially the minorities in Hindu, those are remaining in Bangladesh. That should be the mindset.